Hello and welcome back to another video on WordPress tips and tricks. My name's Mark from Simple Website Solutions, and today I am going to be guiding you through how to set up a under construction page or a coming soon page, whatever you want to call it, for your website that you are currently building. The benefits of having this is that when a visitor goes to your website, they are presented with a nice looking page that looks complete as opposed to something that's half built. And it's informative. It tells them, look, the website isn't ready yet, but you can put some key information on there, such as an email address or contact details or links to perhaps a social media page or something like that that you might have, so that they can interact with you in some way. So it's a good idea to get one of those set up while you're building a website, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So without further ado, let's go to our plugins page. There's a plugin for everything. That's why WordPress is so brilliant. You click Add New, and I'm just going to search under construction and see what comes up. I don't know the name of the plugin that I want, so I'm going to just do a search and see what options come up for us. So there we go. I've already searched that by the looks of things as it's come up. Right, so you can see here we've got quite a lot of options. It's hard to know what option to go with. A rule of thumb that I go with is I look at how many reviews and how many active installations there are. This one looks pretty good. It's got over 500,000 of active installations with over 1,200 reviews, and it's 5-star rated overall, so that will do us. We're going to click on that and install this one and just have a little play around and see what options it gives us. If you don't like it, you can always uninstall it and pick another one. It doesn't do any harm as long as you delete the plugins that are not active. Then you've got no issues. Little thank you message here. Get rid of that. So we've installed and activated the plugin. There's a link there to the settings, so I'm going to click on that and let's have a little look around. This is the main sort of settings, how we turn it on and off. Do I want to prevent search engines from indexing the temporary site? Oh, that's a pro feature. We don't want to pay to have that. I would have turned that on, but not to worry. We don't need to automatically set a date for this to turn off. I'm going to manually turn it off. Google Analytics tracking, no, we don't need to worry about that at the moment. So I'm going to turn this on. So hopefully, let's just see what it gives us off the bat. Nothing. Why is that? Let's go to the design. I need to pick a design, I think. Well, this one says preview, which would suggest it's activated because it doesn't have an activate button. But okay, let's pick a different one and see if that works. I like this. Let's preview this one. Sorry, we're doing some work on the site. Thank you for being patient. We'll be back shortly. Okay, well that will do. And just check. Yeah, there's no activate button there now, so that is the active one. Let's have a look at the content. Multilingual support, I don't need to worry about that. Don't need to worry about image compression. The title, such is under construction, which says, sorry, we're doing some work on the site, is what it says. Okay, so, description, okay. Headline, sorry, we're doing some work on the site. That's what we want to change. I'm just going to say this page is under construction. For more information and loads of WordPress how-tos, check out the YouTube link below. And then in this section, I'm going to hyperlink the YouTube channel, so let's copy that. I'm going to say, what should I say? This is a project website being built alongside YouTube tutorials for WordPress. Check out the YouTube channel to see how we are building the site right now. And then I'm going to put this into a hyperlink by pasting that there. Right, there should be an option to save, and there is down here. So let's have a look now. Let's type our website address in, wordpresshowto.co.uk. There we go, this page is on construction. For more information and loads of WordPress how-tos, check out the YouTube link below. Good. Okay, I'm quite happy with that. That will do as a temporary holding page. Right, let's go back to the main dashboard. So there we go. You can follow along with this video and set up a coming soon page or an under construction page for your website as well. I hope you found that useful. Please subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the future uploads. We've got a video coming out every day at 1 PM at the moment. So please do subscribe to find out how we're building this website exactly, how it's coming along, what it's looking like, and how you can also build yourself an awesome website with WordPress and Elementor. And it's free, so it's all good. Anyway, until the next video, thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you soon for another tutorial.